What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JR here, and welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do another mod today. Well, I already did this one, but it was a long time ago, and I'm not gonna put it on the product. I probably messed it up. I don't know. Nah, they should have had a better gasket on that. It is their fault. But we go finally change the third brake light. It well, you'll see. Hold on. See that? See one of the lights, the LEDs on the left hand side? It went out. So I was gonna change it anyway because it see how it all hazy. And I was gonna change it anyway because I wasn't finna ride around with it looking like that. And the truck be clean and it looking like crap. So the light finally went out. It's probably when I went through the when I first had got it, and I went through the car wash, the one where you drive through, and the water just came pouring in the truck. And it probably messed it up. So I had put a gasket on it and it ain't happened again, but I guess it finally gave out. So got a new one. Came yesterday, but it was raining. It was raining today too, but we got the sun now. I'm finna get ready to wash it. That's why you see that bucket, water hose. But yeah, open it up. Nah, it ain't gonna work. Luckily, they ain't too expensive. I think this one was like $60 or $70 off ProTuningLab.com or something like that. Yeah, it's nice. Gasket around it thick. I might still put that gasket back on that I bought just to make sure this. I mean, and this one closed too. The one I got on there wasn't closed. We'll see. I wanted to get the same one because I like the bar on that one. But everywhere I searched, Amazon, my car ID website that I used to buy my truck parts from, all of them was sold out or out of stock, and they didn't know when they was gonna get none in. So I'm like, well, I ain't waiting on that. So I don't know if they went out of business because of COVID or what, but got this one. As you can see, it looks like a heartbeat. It's supposed to pulse when you hit the brake and then stay steady, but we gonna see. Also, as you can see, it don't have cargo lights. That's the white lights that come on when you open the door or unlock it. But I have bed lights, so I don't need it. So I was fine with not having cargo lights. My bed be closed all the time anyway. I need to blow it out when I start washing the truck. So yeah, anyway, all you need for this, Phillips head screwdriver. All right, be right back. All right, let's go. I was supposed to do this the other day. Well, this came yesterday. I was gonna do it yesterday, but I was like, well, I gotta wash the truck and cut the grass and cut this tree down in the backyard. I was like, man, I don't feel like doing all that. So what I did, I was just like, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the grass and I'll worry about this tomorrow. So that's why we're doing it today. Oh. See how the back of it? Looks like it broke off. Yeah. See that? Little black part is supposed to be attached and they broke for some reason. That's garbage. This one's sealed, so this one should be better. Yeah, I forgot about the gasket I put on there. See, this one came with a gasket, but it was crap. Maybe it wasn't my fault in the first place. We're gonna see. Alright, I'll clean it up around it a little bit. Test it before we put it up. Hold on. Alright, be right back. So yeah, it posts like it's supposed to and everything. I'm gonna show y'all once I put it in. It's pretty cool. I like it. And then they got a little carbon fiber look on the inside. As you can see, I might have to get some more carbon fiber accents to match on the outside now. Try it without the gasket first. All right. Hope it wasn't too tight. All right, good. Okay. All right. I'm gonna push the brake. So yeah, another third brake light installed. We're gonna see how this one works. I'm probably gonna put that gasket on there because I don't know. I don't want to get wet in the truck. I really don't. And then I don't want to ruin this one like I did the other one either. So yeah, I might put that gasket back on there. But yeah, anyway, thanks for coming back to the channel. Well, we're just gonna interrupt this video because I know y'all saw it. I broke it. I tightened it down too tight. And as you can see, it's a new day. I had to order another one. I didn't order the same one. I went back with the one I had before. I finally found somebody selling it, and it was $98. So it was more expensive than the other one. The other one like $50. So I guess you get what you pay for. Cheap plastic. I already threw it away. So yeah, we back with what I had. This time I got a gasket for it. So hopefully it don't leak. And also I hope that it don't the lens don't haze so quick. But yep, both lights working. And yeah, so that's it. I got a new one. And next I think it will be the steering wheel controls once I find somebody to put it on there. And then we'll go to some other mods. But anyway, yeah, so that's the update. I broke the third brake light. It's too strong. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe and come back.